Today you're going to learn how to fix Windows 11 running slow in 2026. If your computer feels laggy, takes too long to start, apps open slowly, or everything just feels delayed, don't worry. You don't need to replace your computer or be a tech expert to fix it. In this video, you'll learn 2 of the most effective solutions that can significantly improve your PC performance, and we're going to go step by step so you can follow along easily. So let's start with the first solution, which is disabling unnecessary startup programs. This is one of the biggest reasons why computers become slow over time. When you install apps, many of them automatically set themselves to start when your computer turns on. That means every time you boot your PC, multiple programs are running in the background without you even noticing. This uses up memory, CPU, and slows down your system from the beginning. So here's exactly how to fix it first. Right-click on the Start button. Then select Task Manager if it opens in a simple view. Click on More Details. Now go to the tab that says Startup here. You'll see a list of all the programs that launch. When your computer starts, you'll also see something called Startup Impact. This tells you how much each program affects performance. Now take a moment to review this list. Look for programs you don't really need running all the time, for example, music apps, game launchers, chat apps, or software you rarely use to disable one. Click on it and then press Disable. Do this for multiple apps that are not essential. Just be careful not to disable important system programs, but in general, most third-party apps are safe to turn off once you're done. Close Task Manager. Now restart your computer after restarting. You should notice that your PC starts faster and feels more responsive. This simple change can make a huge difference. Now let's move to the second solution, which is cleaning up storage and removing unnecessary files over time. Your computer collects a lot of junk files. These include temporary files, cache, and leftover data from apps. All of this takes up space and can slow down your system. So here's how to clean it properly. First, click on the Start menu and type Storage Settings. Open it. Now you'll see how your storage is being used. Click on Temporary Files. Windows will scan your system and show different categories of files you can delete. These may include temporary files, downloads, recycle bin items, and system cache. Select the ones you want to remove, then click Remove Files. Wait for the process to complete. Now go back and turn on Storage Sense if it's not already enabled. This feature automatically cleans unnecessary files over time, so your system stays optimized. Now, let's do an extra cleanup step that many people don't know. Press Windows key plus R, type %temp. And press Enter. This opens a folder full of temporary files. Select everything and delete. Some files may not delete, and that's completely normal. Just skip those and continue after doing this. Restart your computer again. Now your system has more free space and fewer background processes, which means better performance. Now here are a few extra tips to keep your PC running smoothly. Try to keep your system updated. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Also avoid installing too many unnecessary programs. Only keep what you actually use and always leave some free space on your drive, because a full drive can slow down your computer significantly. After applying these 2 solutions step by step, you should notice a clear improvement. Your PC should feel faster, smoother, and more responsive. And that's how you can fix Windows 11 running slow in 2026 using 2 simple but very powerful methods.